Meaning of fat camp.
Fat camp.
Fat camp.
Fat camp.
Fat camp. Fat camp usually refers to a summer camp or retreat program for overweight or obese children and teenagers. The aim of these programs is to help the participants achieve weight loss and improve their health through a combination of physical activities, healthy eating habits, and education about nutrition and fitness. Participants typically engage in outdoor activities, team sports, and fitness classes while also learning about healthy cooking and portion control. The result is a potential improvement in self-esteem, behavior, and physical health, as well as the development of healthy habits that can be carried forward into adulthood.